BomberMan.
Welcome to MIG BomberMan channel. MIG is the only person on YouTube who makes slow-motion videos of explosions. These videos are done for purpose of physics researches to analyze how changes the weight of anything. What is the power of explosions, sound level, and more? It is directed for the whole family. So that's why this channel is the one and unique. Do you want to become a part or participate in a video with MIG? Just offer the idea and MIG BomberMan will explode it specially for you.
So, we are going to explosion thing, what we have tonight. So, it's the car driver's airbag. Wow! I choose this thing to explode because it's very, very interesting, because we cannot see it by our eyes, how it opens and how it explodes. So that's why I decided to take it on the slow motion movie, and the surprise that we don't have just only one. I have two airbags. Yeah! Because of this fruit is watermelon, so I think I will give the name that it will be Voldemort. Right, Voldemort. It will be the name of this watermelon, and we will kick his ass. So it means that this Voldemort will get the kick, let's say, direct to his face. Wow, here we go, totally fresh, just after explosion. Here you go, take a look, you see? Oh, this is awesome. This is totally just 1 second after the airbag explosion. Wow, take a look, but it's so hot, so hot. Wow, it looks so clean. Wow, you can sleep on that pillow. Here you go. Wow, amazing. So this is how the airbag explosions looks like. Wow, I'm impressed.
MIG BomberMan.
To find my piggy bank. That's why we are here. So let's take it and put it in our microwave. Yes, microwave. One of our subscribers named our explosion camera like this. Before checking the results, let's watch it once again with a slow motion movie and just enjoy the video.
MIG BomberMan.
I fly to the moon. I shrink the moon. I grab the moon. I sit on the toilet. What?
Before giving you the results, I have to find out where was the money? Where was my money? Because as you saw, the pig was totally empty. Yes, it was empty and no money was found inside. As you saw, there was just only gel balls inside. But don't worry, I won't leave it like this. I will find out where is my money. The results actually a bit shocked me. It was like a bit kind of weak results, but anyway, the results are like this. Actually, I didn't expect it that it could be like this, but it, as you see, it weighs just only half a kilo. Half a kilogram, 500 grams. But on explosion time, it reached 73 kilograms power that this piggy weighted. Nice one. And the second measurement is sound recorder. We also measure the sound in decibels. How loud it was. It was weak or very loud or not. So that's why we see. And the sound recorder showed that it was 87 decibels power. So it was kind I cannot say that it was very powerful, but anyway, especially for you, slow motion movie was perfect. Perfect, guys. And if you like my channel, if you like this piggy bank explosion, so just like the video, subscribe our channel, follow us on all social medias, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and more. And you will see much more slow motion explosion movies of all the things what we are destroying.
MIG BomberMan. MIG BomberMan.